Hi guys, I have an 8 years old laptop which is running on 1 terabyte hard disk. It is very slow. The hard disk is very slow, which makes my laptop performance also very slow. I want to increase my laptop performance, so I decided to remove that 1 TB hard disk and upgrade it with a new SSD. I choose an WD Blue 500 GB SSD. It is makes my laptop performance very high, but what should I do with this removed HDD from my old laptop? This is a 1 TB HDD, guys. Why should I make it wasting? I cannot able to throw it in the dustbin, right? So I want to use this HDD as a secondary storage bank. Okay, so I can able to store a lot of movies, photos, etc softwares in it. So what should I do? How can I use this removed HDD as a external storage device? That's why I searched the HDD enclosures in online. I found a lot of non-branded Chinese enclosures are there. And one more thing I observed that most of the enclosures are comes with micro B pin. Its read and write speeds also very slow. But in the bunch of scrap, I found a diamond. It is nothing but a ZEBRONICS device, ZEBRONICS Enclosure. It comes with Type C 3.1 Generation 1 port. You observed, right, that there are a lot of non-branded things are there in the Amazon India. But here ZEBRONICS is a one of the known brand and it comes with Type C 3.1 port. It's very cool, right? And it will be supported for both 2.5 SSD or HDD also, and it is directly plug and play device. There is no need to remove screws and all. Okay, let's unbox this thing first. See guys, it is a transparent enclosure. I prefer transparent designs. That's why I ordered this transparent enclosure. If you want to purchase this HDD enclosure, I will drop the link in the description. You can buy it from there by avoiding the confusions. As I said, there is ZEBRONICS also. There is a Type B port enclosures are there, but this is comes with Type C port. If you don't want to purchase the wrong thing, you just click the link below in the description and purchase this thing. I will show you how to insert this HDD in this enclosure. First of all, you need to just remove the case by sliding it. Okay, after we need to insert this HDD in the enclosure, but here the casing of my HDD I was not removed. If you want to remove the casing, you have the screwdriver. It's simple guys, simply you just remove the screws. Once you removed all the screws surrounded in the casing, you just remove the actual HDD out of from the casing. This is the casing. It is useless. Throw it away. This is the actual 1 TB HDD I am having. So first of all, we need to gently insert this HDD into the enclosure. You just push it and just click. It's simply inserted clearly. See guys, after that you just close the enclosure with this sliding top. That's it. Now this is the HDD enclosure comes from the ZEBRONICS. I just remove these covers first so it is clear to you. Wow, it's look great, right? Let's check what are the other things we have in this box. As I said, it comes with a Type C USB cable, right? See guys, it having a Type C port. Let's check whether this enclosure is working or not. Plug it into my PC. See guys, there is a blue light indicator is there. Wait for a while. It will be reading the HDD. Yeah, did you see that? That is there is a local disk C, which is nothing but my HDD reading from that HDD enclosure. Yeah, here are the folders that is found in my HDD. Guys, I tested read and write speeds of the hard disk with the enclosure. If you observe that the read speeds is 34 Mbps per second and the write speeds is 29 Mbps per second. Let's test it practically. I was copying a 3 GB video and observed that the speeds is 27 to 29 Mbps per second. It is nothing but writing speeds. It's almost equal to the software speeds that we have tested previously. Now I will show you the different speeds of storages that available currently with me. If you see that in the left side, I will show you the SSD speeds. In the middle, I will show you our hard disk with the enclosure speeds. In the right side, a traditional 2.0 USB pen drive speeds. If you observe that, don't compare that our HDD with the SSD speeds. You know SSD always faster. But if you see the pen drive speeds compare with our HDD enclosure, our HDD enclosure wins, and the speeds is also 1.5 times more than a traditional pen drive. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video is useful for you.